Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. How's everyone doing? Let me share my screen in a second. Who's here? Let's see who's here, guys. 1 second. There we go. Yeah, welcome back, everybody. Let me just move this a little bit. Perfect. Yes, welcome, guys. Welcome. Who's here? No one's commented yet. We've got 12 people here. Yeah, guys, drop a like. If you've just joined, drop a like. Julius, good Friday, yeah. Same to you, mate. Ron, welcome, mate. What is that? Yeah, guys. Gold gives some good opportunities today. Gold has given some good opportunities today. Welcome, guys. I'm just going to wait for a couple more to join and I'll start breaking down. I'm interested in longs, really. Brian, good morning, mate. All good, mate. Hope you're well. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks, guys. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just, like I say, guys, let's smash that like. If you've not already. Appreciate everyone who likes, subscribes, comments. And let's get this session underway. It's quite interesting, is gold. We are in a bigger range. I'll start breaking down now anyway. But look at gold. Really, we are in this range. And this is, okay, swept all this liquidity and has failed to close lower. This green candle, look at this red candle. Instant rejection taking liquidity, pushed to the downside. This green candle looks like it's going to undo all that work to the downside. So that is telling me that the next hourly is very likely to continue higher, especially after we've taken the prior hourly low too. But that's just a little bit of higher time frame knowledge. You don't really need to know that. It's just something that we can. Analyze together here. But I don't really look at that all the time. Anyway, in terms of what am I looking for on longs, guys, 29.35 longs above. It's as clear as day. This level, guys. Buys above 29.35. Look at this. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Support, acting as resistance here. Back above there, you're clear. You're clear to go and continue higher on gold. My targets that I'd be looking to long above is 29.41. Okay, be looking to long into this liquidity above. Okay, so let's see if we can get back above here on gold, and if we can, then I'm going to be interested in them longs. Okay, guys. I'm not looking for shorts just yet, guys. The hourly's not really done much. If I am going to be looking for shorts, we're probably back below here. This 30-minute rejection level, probably a little bit lower. So yeah, this is my range, and this is my liquidity coming into this session. So all we have to do now, guys, is just wait for that closure. There's nothing to be doing within this range. If anybody's thinking about trading this range, especially so close to news, because we have got news in 1 sec. Let me have a look in the community really quickly. Fundamentals. Yeah, we've got news at 1:30, CAD news. And then we've got 2:45 news. So yeah, you could range a little bit before news as well. Gold does that a lot, guys, as well. And that's why people don't like trading Fridays, because you always have red folder news on Fridays. And gold likes to range before that news. I'm just going to update the community with this range, guys, for those who aren't in the live. But yeah, welcome everybody. Let's see what gold's going to give us today. I'm interested to see if this hourly can get above. If this hourly gets above, I'm going to be longing gold. It's all on this hourly, really, in 15 minutes. Because what you tend to see when you have a rejection and you close above the rejection, like this, look, close above the rejection, you continue higher. Look, rejection, close above it, continue higher. You're probably going to see that again if we close above. Whoa, Ali, how's it going, mate? Welcome. Yeah, guys, let's see who's here. Let's see who's here, guys. We've got 15 in. And like I said, drop a like, guys. Let's smash that like button if you're not already. Yeah, let's see what gold's going to do for us. It's a Friday. Fridays can be a little bit rangy. Would you say 29.58 on futures is the resistance? Let's have a look. I've got the futures on my other screen. 29.58. Yeah, 29.58 is a good level, mate. But to be honest with you, if I was looking to long gold, I wouldn't be looking to push that far. I'll probably try and catch my 20-30 ticks today and be done. You know, Fridays on gold are a little bit rangy, so if you can catch anything on a Friday, which the members already did, so many members already caught a beautiful short trade, which I'll break down in a second. I didn't catch it, but the members did, and it was very valid. But yeah, 29.58 on futures is a good level to trade into. You know, you've got 80-90 ticks into there now. Yeah, well, brew it. W. Vishal, how's it going, mate? Yeah, W's in the chat. Members, I know a few members caught this short here. Insane short. Down into the liquidity. You know, you've got an 8 tick stop loss and you're taking profits in that liquidity low. Look at that, you've got 70 ticks there. I know a few caught that. Reversed instantly as we took that liquidity as well, which is good to see. But it's all on this hourly close, guys. I'm not going to be doing anything until this hourly closes. But yeah, welcome everybody. Everybody who's joined, welcome. If anyone's got any questions as well, feel free to drop a question in the comments. Usually how many candles before going short / long liquidity grab would be? I don't know, I'm clear. For me it's like 3 or 4. But it's not all about the liquidity grab. You need to understand that if you have the liquidity grab, yeah, it's a good entry, but if not, you need to wait for the second entry that we look for, which I'm not going to explain here too much, guys. I'll show you what I'm looking at, show you what I'm trading. Let me share this again. Banger, I've shared that again. Oh, good. Mondays and Fridays are the worst for gold. Yeah, the reason Mondays, no, I like Mondays. Mondays are fine for me, but for you they might be. But the reason Fridays are bad on gold, well, not bad, just a little bit rangy. Like, for example, here, ranging, nice breakout, but then ranging again, is because you've got red folder news. You've always got big red folder news on Friday. No matter the week, it's always on a Friday, you'll have red folder news. Well, I'd say 9 times out of 10. So that's why gold will range on red folder news days before the actual release. You already booked tickets for the next big trip, bro? Not yet, mate. I don't know where to go next. I probably won't be going far though, because I want to be trading at my setup for a bit. You know, having a setup and trading in the same place is good. Being here, there, and everywhere, yeah, it looks good on camera, and yeah, it is. It's travel trading's great. Like, if you're just a trader, and you're traveling, perfect. But when you've got community, you need to do breakdowns, you need to do market updates, you need to do one-to-ones. Having a setup's better, 100%. So yeah, travel. I will go traveling, of course. Again, will I do it long term like I did? Because I did like a full year when I didn't have the community, like a full year and a half when I didn't have the community. Probably not. But the thing is, as well, like if I ever do travel, I'll have to find somewhere to live long term and just take my setup there. Ever been here in Italy? In South, it's so pretty. No, I haven't. Whereabouts in Italy are you, mate? I've actually never been to Italy. I've been to Spain, France. Greece. Cyprus. This is Bergamo near Milan, North Italy. Nice. Great stuff, man. Yeah, Italy's definitely on the cards. I love it. I love Italian food. Yeah, Italian food's so good. I'm just going to make it simple for everybody who just joins. This is what it's going to be. There we go. Cooking, aren't we now? Yeah, 18's better. If you ever come here in Italy, definitely go south. The food and beautiful places. Yeah, nice one. What, is the food different from north to south? Is that a thing? If I'm being stupid, tell me. If that's like a known thing, I'm sorry. But I didn't know that. South is more original. North Italy are more concentrated towards where. Ah, okay. I understand. Nice. Yeah, for sure, Italy. What's the weather like now for you, Ali? Have you got good weather right now? Probably just find somewhere on Airbnb too. I like Airbnb, it's good. But it won't be yet. No, I want to get 5 accounts on Top Step again. Obviously, when I was traveling, I had like 4 accounts expresses, but I took profits on all of them. Quite decent profit split, so I want to build it back up to 5 accounts. Pretty cold right here since I'm near the Alps, but great place though. I can drive 3 to 4 hours and go to Switzerland, Austria, or even France. Nice. That's handy, isn't it? That's class, to be fair. Fancy France one day, you can go to France. Fancy Austria, you can go to Austria. Sick. But yeah, let's see how this 15 clause is. If this 15 clause is below this range, then I'm selling down. Probably want a closure a bit lower, to be fair, just to factor in that little bit of structure there, which is 29.27. Okay. Quiet, guys. Quiet for a Friday. I think everyone's finished for the week. Everyone's sleeping. Dun. Yeah, I'm only going to be on till news, guys. Another 35 minutes. If we don't catch anything, then I'll be dipping. Yeah, I'm not going to sit here on news, guys. I'll just stay in the community. Dun, 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 dun. We'll see. We'll see. Gold could give us an entry. Yeah, man, I got friends who work in Switzerland because they pay a lot, and in the evening they come back home. It's class. What? Is that every day? Is that every day, Ali? They drive to Switzerland and then drive home. That's a bit of a blag, no? I'd feel like that. Ba ba da ba dum, bum bum, bum bum. Yeah, 9 to 5 jobs, but make 3 times more you could make here in Italy, class. Yeah, it's smart to be fair. But how long's the drive though? Is it if it's 3 hours every day there and back? Would I'd think about buying like renting some place close to where the border is. But I don't know. Yeah, let's see what gold's going to give us, guys. I'm waiting for these cells below now. I'm interested in cells below. But gold's ranging and it's expected to. But yeah, I'm on the. I want to see a breakout by 1:30. If we haven't broke out by then. And then we'll see. We've got 30 minutes though. Let's see if we can break out in 30 minutes. If not, I'm just gonna call it a weekend and be done. Stay active in the community, might catch something there, but in terms of streaming and going live, that'd be me done. We've taken about 6 or 7 trades on stream this week. But yeah, guys, if you've got any questions, please feel free to let me know. Drop one here. Have you ever considered getting like 3 to 4 monitors? I've got 2 monitors right now. It's just fine for what I need. But yeah, I understand what you mean. There's a lot of gurus have like 6 monitors. It's just not needed. It's really not needed. Like they'll have one monitor just for like the news tab. It's like, what are you trading? Where like and they're trading like the 4 hourly. I'm like, why have you got the news tab up just on one full monitor and you're trading the 4 hour chart? I'd rather just flick over from Telegram to news to YouTube, like all at the top. Bernick, yes mate, how's it going, bro? Welcome, mate. Welcome. Yeah, guys, this is the range we're using right now on gold. Volume isn't crazy good, but we'll see. Let's see what this 30 does. What's the best session? All sessions are good. Asia has been very clean recently. I love London and US. They're fine for me. Yeah, all sessions are good. All day you'll see opportunities on gold with this strategy. Or the strategy that I teach. All day. Yeah, guys, I'm going to give it this next 30 candle. If we don't see any volume in this next 30 candle, I'm going to call it a stream there. I've give it an hour. I don't want to just sit here in this range. Look at the 15, guys. Look at the 30. Look, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. That's all I need to see. Nip onto the 30-minute. I see a bullish candle followed by a bearish, followed by a bullish, followed by a bearish. It's telling me that it wants to range. So, if this next 30 doesn't break out, I'll set an alert here, and I'll set an alert here, and I'll get on with my day. Because it's been a great week, guys. This week's been great. Like, 150k account, I made 1.2k. Almost past another account. Like, we're chilling. Yesterday night, I had a W with GJ using your strategy. Got partials and break even. Nice. Yeah, I saw a Nas trade. Oh, beautiful. It actually played out really nicely. Yeah, there was this entry here on Nas today. And it's playing out very nice. Straight into them highs, 50 ticks. I don't know if Saf's here, if he's still holding. If you're still holding this Saf. We talked about this entry in the community today. Beautiful trade. There was actually a couple of entries. Even one down here. I took that NQ trade too. Legend, y'all. This is all the system. Every single concept that we teach in the community was there on that NQ trade. This candle here, you took it to. Nice. Still a good first target. Like, how many ticks have you got there? 25. Then 70. Full TP. Great. That's all you need. But yeah, guys, let's see how this 30 closes. For this example on NAS, there's a few entries. Even this was a beautiful entry there. That was a very clean entry. That was the cleanest, best entry. Zero drawdown. Because when it flips, it's pushed you higher. But if you want to get the entry that the members took, it would have been this candle here. Your stop loss can go below the level. But yeah, this hourly was very clean. It was actually a 30-minute entry, this. And you'd have had zero drawdown. Let's have a look at the 5-minute. Yeah, look at the 5-minute entry. You'd have entered here, and you wouldn't have had any drawdown on this trade. Because your entry would have been here on the flip. Zero drawdown straight to TP. Took liquidity above your level, continued higher, bang. That's the plan to the T. The first entry, that's one of the entries that we look for. There's a couple of entries. But I'm not trading NAS, I'm trading gold. Even though NAS works very well and there's members in the community who trade NAS. I don't. But if you can, it's absolutely fine. Yeah, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments, guys. I'm going to stay on, like I've already mentioned, I'm going to stay on, see if this 30 breaks out. If not, I'm setting alerts. And I'll just stay active in with the community members and we'll try and catch this position once it decides to break out. Because like I say, gold on news, we'll always try to range a little bit. And it's a Friday, guys. The week's been great. I'm not a slave to the charts. We're not going to sit here for 3 hours and watch this do nothing. It's not what trading's about. Trade for freedom, you know. Trade to come onto the charts, catch your piece, and get on with your day. But this 30 is looking a bit grim. We're literally just within the range to what we had to the left. London, look. Ranged pre-London in Asia, and then pushed down back into that range. So I'm guessing we could range a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see. See what this 30 does. We've got 24 minutes to wait. So in that 24 minutes, let's... If you've got any questions, let me know. But yeah, that NAS trade were clean. Nice and clean. If anybody wants to join the free Telegram, let me stick the free Telegram in. Anybody wants to join, here you go. How long do you trade with the community in a day? All day. Yeah, we trade all day. From London session, 7 AM, probably until about, I personally trade till about 5. But I'm not on the charts for all that time. I'm sharing, guys, I update gold every 30, 40 minutes in the community. And there's members, there's like 43, 44 members in the community, so every member is trading different times, so it's active all the time. Or for most of the day. But I trade until about from 7 till 5. But am I trading every minute of the day looking at the charts? No. I set alerts, find my range like this, and I'll set an alert here, set an alert here. But let me tell you, once we do see that setup, everybody's active. Can you speak Xauusd? Proximity. You asked me that last time, bro. No, I can't. I can give it a go, but that's not for YouTube. Is the whole community and courses on the Discord? Yes. Everything that you need to learn the full strategy is in the Discord. All the chats are there, all the trade breakdowns, the course, the Zoom sessions. If you want to join in the Zoom sessions, there's 4 members Zoom sessions. Per week I do 4 members Zooms. I stick the link in, we can all join. The Zoom recordings are there. All the chats, the crypto chats, everything's there. There's like 20, 25 channels. Or your memory is better than mine. All good, mate. All good. If you want to ask it every time, it's good. No problem. I probably haven't even included everything that's in the Discord, but there's literally everything that you need. Yeah, the free Telegram's there, guys. And if you do want to join the Discord community, I'll link the Discord. It'll take you straight to my website on the product page. I've just linked it there. Feel free to join if you want to get involved, learn the strategy, get inside with all the members that are there, learning the same stuff. Oh, someone just joined the community now. Nice. Yeah, gold's chopping sideways, guys. Little bit of chop, but all good. This is why we have the range, guys. This is the reason for the range. The reason for the range is to prevent you from getting chopped about in sideways price action. Because before any significant move on gold, look, what does it do? Look here, range, significant move to the downside, or a decent push to the downside. Look at this, range, push to the upside. All we're doing now is in that accumulation. Hey, nice, that's me, Xauusd. Welcome to the community, mate. Wait 5 minutes, you'll get an email. Xauusd. Wait 5 minutes, you'll get an email. You'll get 2 emails in your, obviously in your email. You'll get 2 different emails. The first one's confirmation. The second one is the Discord invite link. Press that link, say hi in the general chat, and then I will give you access to all the other channels, okay? Nice one, mate. Nice one. Yeah, welcome to, mate. Welcome to the community. But yeah, this is the reason, guys. The range will save you. This range that we have now is stopping us. What is gold? Where is gold telling us right now it wants to go? It's not telling us anything. Right now, anybody looking for longs could get burnt because gold could react from this level and continue down. And it's the same for the if you're looking for sells too early. Yeah, Xauusd, when you join and when you've got the link from your email, just put a little hi in the general chat, and I'll give you access to all the members' channels. Okay, all the course, etc., trade breakdowns, all the content, everything that you need. But yeah, we'll see what Goldie wants to do on this 30. We've got 17 minutes to wait here, mate. Hey guys, should I say? Here. But yeah, we'll see. I'm not expecting anything, guys. Like I say, it's red folder news day. Gold always does the same. Let's have a look at last Friday. You guys, look at Friday. Last Friday. Range. Look at that big range. And then news. Bam, slam to the downside. 2 ranges, nice breakout, back into a range, push to the downside. And this, to be honest with you, this range here on Friday isn't even a bad range. Not like we're seeing right now. The problem that we've got now, we're in a bigger range. We've got a big range here, but we're within a smaller range. But like I say, we can trade it. We just got to wait for the close. Bernick, when I'm on demo or challenge account, I'm like the best trader in the world. As soon as I'm on a funded account, it's like I forget how to trade. Yeah. It's like that with 90% of traders who move from demo to a funded challenge when there's emotion involved. When emotion's involved, and that's why I say don't stay on demo. To most people, I say don't stay on demo for too long. You know, get into that emotion. You know, trading's an emotional challenge in itself, so try and get as early as possible. Try and get that emotion in the game, even if it's just like a top step 50k and it's like £30 for a challenge. You still have a little bit of emotion in it. So what I'd say to you, Bernick, is demo. Obviously, I don't know what you're trading. If it's an FX prop firm, they're more expensive. But maybe try and make like a small personal instead of a demo, and journal both sets of trades and see what the real difference is. something that you tend to see with traders who move from demo to either a personal or a challenge when there's more emotion in it is not the fact that they're emotional and they're losing more trades. It's the fact that they're quicker to take profits because it's actual gains. If they see on a challenge $100, they're like, oh, I'm taking that because it's $100 closer to passing the challenge. Really, if they let the trade run, they'd make a lot more, and then that would obviously make the losses smaller because they're making more. So that's something that you tend to see. It's not that you forgot how to trade, mate. It's probably something to do with your trade management when you've got that emotion in the game. So the only thing that you can really do is journal and see if that is the case for you. Sujit, I've just seen your message, Sujit. I'll give you access to all the channels now, man. Welcome you in. Just give you access to all the channels now, mate. Hangfire. Yeah, so Bernick, what would you say that is how you feel with when you're going to the challenge? Or from challenge to funded account, should I say? It's not that you forget how to trade, guys. Like, anybody who, for example, goes from a demo account to trade in like a 50k FTMO account, it's not the fact that they forgot how to trade, it's the emotions in there. So when there's that emotion there, you're quicker to take profits because you think you're going to pass quicker, when really you're taking profits too soon off that emotion. And when you take a loss, it's making more of an impact to your account because you're not taking the same wins as you were. Like, everybody's okay on a demo account to let the trade run in drawdown for a little bit, or to let the trade maximize profits because there's no end goal. But as soon as you're seeing that money and getting closer to passing a challenge or making money on a personal account, you're going to take it a lot quicker. And that's why I say to most people, yeah, maybe for the first 1 week, you can trade demo. First couple of weeks, maybe. 1 month maximum. But try and get like a cheap challenge account, or like maybe like a very, very small personal account, just to get that emotion in it. Because trading's emotional. And you need to try and stay as emotionless as possible. And the longer you stay on demo and go into go into a challenge after it, you're not going to be used to it. I have to say, I trade with a lot of emotion. Yeah, and it's not just that you trade with a lot of emotion, it's because you're used to trading with no emotion, and then as soon as you go into a real, with some emotion in the game, you're a lot more emotional because you haven't been used to it. So try and stay away from demo, if you can. What's the best lesson you learned in trading experience that made all the difference? The best lesson that I learned, well, there's a few. I'll go for a few. It's drop the ego. Stop trying to think you need to predict or guess the next 15 moves. Like, I'll see so many traders, guys, and they'll say, okay, I think gold's going to push into here. When it comes into here, it's going to come down, take this liquidity, and then we're going to push all the way into these highs, and then we're going to reverse and continue down. I'm like, just take a step back. Is the market telling you that it wants to do all this yet? No, it's not. So why are you even thinking about that? Make it simple. Strip it down. What's gold telling you it wants to do? Like, right now it's telling us it wants to range. So what's that got? So what do we need to do? We need to wait until it breaks out above or it breaks back below. Okay? So that would be the first one. Stop trying to guess and predict like the next 10, 15 moves and what a pair's doing. It's not going to help you. Keep it simple. That's the second one. Keeping it simple. You don't need 10 indicators. 15 confluences. No, you need 2 or 3 confluences. And like, look at my charts, guys. I've got 4 lines on my charts. Like, so many traders who are trying to learn how to trade will have an order block here, an EMA here. When price comes into there, they look for the silver bullet to try and push gold long, and I'm like, what are you doing? Just trade what the market's telling you to do. Trade what the market's telling you where it wants to go. Yeah, there's a couple. Trade what you see. That's one. Just trade what you see, guys. Stop trying to think about the next 15 moves. It's not going to do you any favours. Like, who cares about what gold's going to be doing in the next 6 hours? I really don't care. All I care about what it's doing now. That's why you risk what you can afford to lose. Then you don't really get that emotional over the loss. Yeah, exactly. So I always say Top Stepper are great. Just use a Top Step 50k account, guys. You've got £39 risk or something. Depending on where you are, Aussie, it's like $80 or something. And there's a little bit of emotion there. Like I say, it's not the end of the world if you lose it, but the emotion of trying to pass a challenge is there. So, and there's loads. You don't have to use Top Step. There's loads of futures prop firms. Just choose ones that are reputable and have good reviews. But yeah, it doesn't look like this 30 minutes going to do anything, guys, to be honest with you. I'm not going to just sit here. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. We've got 8 minutes, and this 30 minute does not look like it's going to break above or break below. And like I say, I'm going to go and stay active in the community, guys. Cheers for the likes if everybody's liked. Yeah, Sujit, you're in the community now. You should see all the channels. You've got the weekend to have a good look over everything and get ready to smash it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head off, guys. I've been on for a good hour almost. Been on for an hour. Gold doesn't look like it's gonna do anything. Anybody who's interested in what I'm looking for now going forward for the next maybe 20-30 minutes, I've got this range and I'm keeping this range. I'm gonna set an alert here, 29.26.7, and I'm setting an alert here, 29.36. Okay. Did you take a trade this morning? Yeah, I took this. Where are we? I took this long here. See this green candle here? I took it on an express. Not an express, on a combine. So I got like 30 ticks on a combine. I need, like, to pass another combine, I need $290. So I'll update the free Telegram if I do pass another combine. I need $290 to pass. I've got like 3k buffer, so if I fail it, I'll be a bit annoyed, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head off, guys. And the community members took this short here. So there was a good short opportunity there, 75 ticks. And there was a nice long position here for like another 50. Other than that, it's been ranging. There's been a good fair few opportunities today on NAS and gold to get combined. Have a good weekend. You too, guys. Guys, Friday, we've got news, red folder news on gold. It's probably going to range until then. But I've got this range. I've got my alert set. I'm going to go and stay active in the community. Anybody who's not in the community, enjoy your weekend. I hope you smash it. And I'll see you on Monday, everybody. Okay? Enjoy your weekend, guys. In a bit.